Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and in this video I just want to show you a setting that every single EA has that you might not be aware of. Now, we have had many inquiries from Forex traders who use EAs and experienced Forex traders that use EAs that say, what if I only want to buy using this EA, or what if I only want to sell using this EA? Well, I'm going to show you how you accomplish that. Now on your screen you can see an EA that's been loaded. It's the tradable ADX EA, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the properties. Now the first thing that people do is they go to the input section and they start completing the input section, but they very seldom notice there's a comment tab, and on the comment tab you can do all kinds of things, and they very seldom notice this drop down menu which says, do you want to only trade long trades? Do you only want to trade short trades? Or do you want to allow the EA to trade long and short trades? Long is for buy, short is for sell. So if you want your EA, and this applies to all EAs, this is a common tab that applies to all EAs. If you want your EA to only buy or only sell, or sell and buy at the same time, use this tab. Now just a note here that if your EA specifically has settings in its settings section that allow you to decide whether you want to buy or sell, or buy and sell at the same time, rather use the input settings for that decision. Only use the comment tab if your EA does not allow you to select buy only or sell only in the actual EA setting. Now I hope you've found this tip useful, and from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.
Yeah.